Good morning, social studies. I hope that you're finding this online learning a different experience. So here's the lesson for today and tomorrow. I'm in your OneNote and I'm under the content library, and I've made a tab here called Sustainable Goals. So this is a lesson that you started with a reliever last Friday, but I do want you to complete it, which is a bit of a test run for you when we look at your actual inquiry project you will be doing next term. So I've got some links here. You've got this link here which will tell you all about the sustainable goals. Visit the website and find out about the sustainable goals. I also want you to write a paragraph. What are the goals and why they have been developed? So you might want to talk about how countries have come together, they've got a common goal. Refer to the slides 59 and 62 in the Challenges of the Pacific. So where I'm talking about that is actually here. So it's 59, here we go. It's lesson 8. And it starts to talk about the sustainable goals here. Here's that video link that you can have another look at, and of course here are those goals. So what I really want you to do is, after you've written your paragraph, choose 5 goals and discuss or write a short paragraph explaining why you've chosen these goals as the most important goals. And then select one of those goals and create an e-poster explaining what it is, what it's trying to achieve, and some ways people are working to achieve this goal. So your e-poster, make another little tab to the side and put as much colour in, design that you can. And I look forward to meeting up with you tomorrow with our scheduled meeting through Teams. You'll see I've put a wee calendar note there at 11 a.m. You can just check in with me with any questions, and we'll do a video link just to see that it's working. Okay, girls, I hope everything is running smoothly for you.